give it to me. What do you guys want to write about?
Southside. Southside.
Southside, then your neighborhood. So the messaging is like your neighborhood.
Yeah.
All right, let's do that. Everybody gets to write about how you see your neighborhood, what you think about your neighborhood is, and how you feel about your neighborhood, and then put together your piece with the artist. Yes.
What if you don't like this neighborhood?
Well, that's the thing. Write about it, and that's. I mean, you have the opportunity to write because music is all about delivering a message about how you feel, right? About each the place you live in. Write about that. So who's going to be the team captain? Let's have the team captains. All right. All right.
More peace, more peace. Let's get it. More hope, more peace, more peace. Let's get it. More hope, more peace, more peace. Let's get it. More hope, more peace, more peace. Let's get it. More hope, more peace, more peace. Let's get it. More hope, more peace, more peace. Let's get it. More hope, peace,
More peace. Let's get it. More hope.
I'm making my peace for peace like Dolores. When I release, seduce teens like little seeds. Why your song sound like Skittles and Rainbow? That's a dead giveaway. You love to listen to Wayne, bro.
That's not it. The neighborhood is more. I don't even know what that cave leads to. But when I see a clown come, I'm gonna be scared. I'm gonna be running.
You never my neighborhood.
I can't explain my neighborhood. My neighborhood, my neighborhood. I can't explain my neighborhood.
My neighborhood. I can't explain my neighborhood.
I can't explain my neighborhood.
Look, my neighborhood.
My neighborhood.
Heads up, heads up, heads up, heads up.
Are you guys ready for us? This is my drummist. Saeed is gonna play the drum with Joey, okay? Come on.
On the south side, everybody's so nice. Everybody say nice, then they say hi. Everybody know me, they wanna be like me. They be like Marquita, man, not here you see. They say my name everywhere I go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I keep my good flow. Yeah, I'm on the south side, and the BG. Ready to just start here. Have you ever heard of me?
Southside Fresh. One good club is the best. Southside School, Southside Fresh. One good club is the best. Southside's good, Southside's better. Southside's better, better than the rest. Hey, Southside's better, better than the rest. Hey, Southside's better than the rest. Hey.
Boring houses, boring streets. There was lightning near my feet.
Yeah.
The dog ran out from second place.
Yeah.
I like how my neighborhood.
Southside School, Southside Fresh. One good club is the best. Hey, Southside School, Southside Fresh. Southside School is the best. Hey.
Southside, we all say, and you know everything. In my game, yeah, we don't play.
Hey.
We said this is when it comes to the court.
Hey,
No
hey.
man don't even want us players in the
Hey.
sport.
Hey.
Money man, take it to the rack.
Hey.
Slow mo, gonna put you on your back. I'm just gonna light it up, even do test.
Yeah.
See me gonna hit this shit and turn this back.
Hey. Southside School,